How to select house skirting. Hello friends, today we will talk about what is skirting, its purpose and how to select best skirting option for your house. Skirting is basically a board that runs along the border between the interior wall and the floor. It covers the improper edges, avoids scratches from furniture and gives a room a good finish. As a result of new modern ideas in the field of interior designing, different types of skirting boards and designs are available. Some of them are wooden skirting, metal skirting, pencil skirting, etc. The purpose and the types of skirting boards used in construction are explained briefly in this video. Purpose of skirting. Skirting in some projects is an aspect of beautification, and for some it's a method to hide the unwanted features in the interior walls. These skirting boards were known as mop boards as they protect the wall from water when the floor was mopped. Different purposes for which skirting are installed are explained here. Hide exposed electrical wiring. Skirting can be used to cover up the exposed electrical wires and connections that cannot be removed. Hiding these wiring under the skirting board is found more economical and practical compared to hiding under the ceiling board. Cover the gap between the wall and floors. Some construction flops may result in unwanted gaps between the wall and the floor. Redoing such works is time consuming and costly. One alternative is to install skirting so that the poor work is covered and cleared economically. Avoid marks from furniture. The skirting board installed has a projection that always keeps a gap between the nearby furniture and the interior wall. This way, rubbing and scratching from the furniture are avoided, letting the wall free of scratches. Improve interior. A matched and good colored skirting gives the room a finished and cleaner look. Skirting throws a professional touch to the room it is installed. Types of skirting. The skirting board can be of different types based on the design and the material used. They are: Number 1. Pencil skirting. Pencil skirting is an accurate design choice for a space to bring a clear finished look. This can be installed in walls with pattern or plain walls. 2. Wooden skirting. Wooden skirting imparts richness and a sophisticated look to the home. It is the best choice for marble and tiled floors. Use of wooden skirting for light floors, walls and ceiling work best. Wooden skirting is used for ornamental and traditional looking decors. Wooden skirting is available in the market in different finishes and dimensions. This has various design and color to choose from. 3. Metal skirting. Stainless steel is the material used for metal skirting. Stainless steel skirting gives a rich and modern look to the home space. This skirting type adds lightness to the interior. One of the disadvantages of stainless steel skirting is that they are prone to scratching. Number 4. Continued skirting. This is a type of skirting which is provided as a continuation of any element in the interior space. As shown, the dark brown skirting is continued as a part of the similar colored staircase. This design takes the whole look to a new level. Number 5. Flush skirting. In this, the skirting and the plastering are on the same level as they both flush with each other. This skirting technique gives a seamless look to the interior space. As the wall and the skirting are on the same level, they do not catch dust quickly as in the case of other skirtings where they stay projected out of the walls. Number 6. Double layered skirting. Two-toned skirting is involved in a double layered skirting type. Double layered skirting helps to give a detailed design to the room. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lord's channel, How to Make Home.